Hi, my name is Logan Elmer, and this is my Rise Progress presentation. So, what did I learn here? I learned that understanding the brain strategies we learned, is that it's going to be essential into helping me build my brand in terms of creating interesting content on social media or influencing my articles in some way. I believe these skills will be paramount in my success as a games journalist in terms of representing myself and, again, building my brand. I also learned that looking over my materials a second time can present me with new views or a different way to look at a particular problem. Since this is my second time through the course, I my first thoughts were, what did I do wrong? And so I went ahead and I looked over the materials again, and while I didn't do particularly well on most of my assignments, I do feel like they were incredible improvements over my first time through the class. My week 3 project in particular, I think I did a lot, and or I improved a lot and gained a lot in terms of knowledge. Lastly, how do I use this information? So I said, as a games journalist, I can learn how to brand myself. I can include these strategies in my articles, even like wording them to try and make me as a journalist seems more relatable, as I'm planning on doing, and I believe I touched on in my reflection last time I ran through this class. So you might remember that. Second, when I'm writing articles, I need to look over my research multiple times, like making sure that maybe I didn't misunderstand something, or that they were meaning something else, and that I can, like, they're inferring it maybe and not being super dead on, like being coy. And so that's always something that's incredibly useful to pick up on as a journalist. But overall, I believe the information I learned in this course will be a huge help to me going forward. And then what would I have liked to learn? I would have liked to learn more about the history of these strategies, where they came from. I imagine a lot of them came from like Wall Street and that type of area, but I mean, I don't know. And then I think it would be interesting to see how recognizable business magnates use them. Like I said last time, I think, again, it's critical to see how this is used in a recognizable fashion, so we can understand the proper ramifications of using these and what we can gain through a real world analog that most of us, it's easier to understand Donald Trump as opposed to John Smith, the marketing guy. But anyway, that's my presentation. Thanks you for listening.